Bienvenue! Welcome back to French Action, the right channel if you want to learn French. My name is Jenny and today you will learn to introduce yourself in French. Je me présente. I am introducing myself. Je me présente. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me. Je me présente. So today we're going to learn, or you are going to learn, to say your name, to spell your surname, to give your age, and say your birthday and where you live. So we have basically done everything except where we live. So that is the new thing which we are going to learn today. Okay, so that is a recap. Are you ready? Vous êtes prêts? Allons-y. So saying your name, je m'appelle, which we have done already, but now I'm giving you another way of saying the same thing, which is the literal translation of my name is. Mon nom est. The ON gives you the sound on. Mon nom est. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me. Mon nom est. Spelling your name. So here, for example, we have je m'appelle Lynn Johnson. Johnson, ça s'écrit J-O-H-N-S-O-N. Je répète, ça s'écrit. Ça s'écrit. Saying your age. Okay, so here you put your age. I don't know how old you are. So, j'ai 20 ans. I put j'ai 20 ans. I am 20. J'ai 30 ans. I'm 30. You just put your age there. The only thing that we have to remember is that j'ai means I have. So it's very important to put the ANS. Otherwise, if you say I have 20, we wouldn't know what you have. Okay? So j'ai, and then you put the number, and then you put on. So here with 20 and 30, you may notice that I have linked the T with 20 ans. So I said j'ai 20 ans, j'ai 30 ans. I did the same with 30 because the final E is silent. There's no accent on it. So I'm just going to link the T with the A, and that gives me a nice gentle flow. J'ai 30 ans. Donc répétez après moi. Repeat after me. J'ai 20 ans. J'ai 30 ans. Saying where you live. So here we're going to say j'habite à. Je répète, j'habite à. So it is j'habite because the H is silent. So we're going to do exactly as if there was no H at all. J'habite à. So now, let's learn to link. Remember, I told you that after the T, you have an E which has no accent. So we're going to link the T with the A. J'habite à Paris. J'habite à Paris. And it's good to link because when people talk, they do link. So if they make that what is called a liaison, it's easier if you get used to it now than later. So, répétez après moi. Repeat after me. J'habite à Paris. J'habite à Paris. Now, saying when your birthday is. Mon anniversaire, c'est le, and then you put the date, okay? And the month. Mon anniversaire. So here, again, I have linked the N with the A, okay? I've said mon anniversaire, which sounds much better than mon anniversaire, don't you think? Donc, mon anniversaire, my birthday. Mon anniversaire, c'est le 13 août. It is on the 13th of August. C'est le 13 août. So here again, 13 is linked with the sound août. C'est le 13 août. So, répétez après moi. Repeat after me. Mon anniversaire, c'est le 13 août. And here, for this one, the T is pronounced. Normally it is silent, but not for August. Okay? So now, when you were born, you could say I was born on the 13th of August. Je suis né le 13 août. Je suis né le 13 août. Je suis né le 13 août. Répétez. Now, have you noticed that I have two words for né, one without an extra E, okay, and one with an extra E. The first one is for masculine and the second one is for feminine. However, the pronunciation is not affected. So now, I'm going to read a little passage for you, and you will need to find out, based on what I'm going to say, whether I'm talking about a male or female, the age, the name, the age, birthday, and where the person lives. Okay? Donc, écoutez la présentation. Listen to the presentation. Okay? Écoutez la présentation. Vous êtes prêts? Ready? Prêt? Bonjour, je me présente. Je m'appelle Sébastien Marnier. Marnier, ça s'écrit M-A-R-N-I-E-R. J'habite à Paris. Mon anniversaire, c'est le 26 juillet. J'ai 31 ans. This is the text. So, is the person a male or female? The person is a male. What is the person's name? He said, je m'appelle Sébastien Marnier. So we're going to discover the text in a minute, so don't worry about this. The age. The age is 31 ans, which is 31 years old. Birthday. Mon anniversaire, c'est le 26 juillet. Okay, so 26 is 26 and juillet is July. Okay, and place of residence, j'habite à Paris. So the person lives in Paris. Now you will notice that the questions were not in the order of my presentation. Okay? Let's discover the text. Bonjour, je me présente. Je m'appelle Sébastien Marnier. Marnier, ça s'écrit M-A-R-N-I-E-R. J'habite à Paris. Mon anniversaire, c'est le 26 juillet. J'ai 31 ans. Voilà. Did you get that? If you did, bravo! Bravo, bravo, bravo. Well, that's all we have time for. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please let me know how you did. If you've understood the text about Sébastien, you can write a comment below. And well, I see you next time. Au revoir et à bientôt. See you soon. À bientôt.